Although and even though, we use them to express a surprising fact. We use them to contrast ideas. Although and even though are always followed by a clause. Examples: although it is expensive, she bought the new smartphone. Even though she is very young, she won the competition. What is a clause? Click here.
Even though it was dangerous, she didn't seem nervous.
It is very cold even though it is sunny.
Although the weather was really bad, we enjoyed our holidays. Let's practice.
Use the hints to write examples. There is more than one possible answer. Now it's your turn.
Let's start.
Although my mom didn't like the color, she bought the old car.
Another possible answer could be,
Although the color was horrible, I bought the old car.
And remember,
You need a clause after although and even though. Although he has long experience in his field, he can't find a better job.
Even though he trained for a long time, he couldn't win the competition.
Even though he is very short, he plays basketball really well.
Although it snowed a lot, we decided to go out.
Even though he is a millionaire, he is not happy.
Although his leg hurts, he will run the marathon. He forgot her birthday even though he has a good memory.
more exercises about although and even though? Click here.
This is Grammar Avenue.